So Dipali, we have completed the course, and I'm very happy that in this 2.5 months we have achieved a lot of things in terms of communication. And I remember that when you came in the class, you were looking for certain things to improve your communication, your business English references. You wanted some key vocabularies and wanted to do the communication in your office with your colleagues more effectively, more efficiently. So just tell me at the end of the course, how do you feel about the whole thing? That the reason you joined this class, have you got that result and what activities you did?
Yes, sir. I recollect my first day when I met you before the starting of the sessions. I met you and I told you that I want to improve. I have a certain level of English, but I want to improve because many classes have told me like, okay, your English is good, but then we have very basic courses. So I don't want you to join those courses because my English is at certain level and I wanted to improve. Basically, my reason was coming here, I am doing presentation. I make presentation. So I wanted to improvise in
Let
that
me tell you
presentation.
one more thing. That Dipali here comes from a very professional background. She is an assistant manager in a very reputed company, as well as she handles a lot of business correspondence and administration part, as well as meeting clients and finalizing the deal. That is a job
I
you
am
do.
doing as a business. I'm working as a business development. I'm doing business development. So in pertaining to that, I have to make a project report, or I am involved in a lot of projects where I have to collect the information. I have to make the presentation. I have to make presentation. Then I have to have a rapport with many other people. There are many discussions involved pertaining to that. So that's the reason I wanted to improve my English, improve my vocabulary.
Obviously, because everything deals in English right
in
now.
English. Secondly, that was a new recruitment, youngsters recruitment happened in my office. So I was feeling somewhere I am lacking behind in the vocabulary and I am like not well conversed with the current scenario what is around, and I am somewhere lacking behind from them. So I wanted to tackle with them. I want to improve my conversation, new phrases in English, new vocabulary. And
So what you did over here, what exactly you did, so that now at the end of the course, you can say that you have developed the confidence and you are confidently, you can have a good conversation in your business or in your office environment now.
First of all, we started with grammar improving.
Okay.
There are many, present tense, past tense words I have learned from here. I would like to give one experience. We always use word bid.
Yeah.
And a past tense, we had always used a beaded.
Okay.
And my general manager also used that beaded word. And I know I have written down I have learned that past tense is a bed. And I have written down in a bed. And everybody come to me, Dipali, what is this? This is bed? I said, no, you go through Google, search, that is confident I developed. I said, no, it is bed. And everybody from that word, everybody started using bed. Okay. Second, it was a very common word we use, resume. Okay. There I have learned the proper pronunciation of resume. Everybody talk about resume, not resume. That I have learned, and I have told everybody and almost my colleague in my department. They started improvising. It is not me I had improved, it is my colleagues also improved a bit English.
Obviously, when you take your English in your office, a certain level people becomes more aware of and conscious and they learn good things.
More aware of new words, new phrases. They started, like I started using new words, new phrases in the communication. They also started learning from that. They were not confident what I used to talk, but then they used to go in Google, they used to find out the meaning of it, and then they started interest in that.
Tell me more about role plays and other activities you did which helped your language and got that you got that confidence to deliver it.
In my day-to-day office work, I have to converse with a lot of people. Like a lot of communication is involved pertaining to introducing of a new colleague. Then I have to make some arrangements for new office meetings. I have to make the arrangement for the traveling plan. So that role plays I did, and so that it was a more effective communication. very smart communication using few phrases. So it was very like, instead of time consuming presentation, it was a smart work I started doing after learning this role play communication.
Okay. Anything else in particular you like to highlight while you are learning in your learning experience?
That was like, it's like I am working on a bit higher position. So I have to give a little bit, task work to my colleagues.
Okay.
So, I have learned a very polite way to handling that job.
Okay.
That has been effective, and they have started giving me results without hurting them. I started giving handling
Okay.
them.
So you started speaking effectively.
Effectively.
Without hurting, disturbing,
Or
and
it's like, it's not
becoming-
orders. It's not orders.
not-
I was not
it
orders.
is-
I was not.
yeah.
I was telling them handling work very politely.
right.
I started drafting emails in a very polite manner, so that was very effective
Are you
communication.
happy with the course? The way it has gone with you?
Yes, I am very happy with the course. I have started using, I have learned here new vocabulary. I started using that vocabulary in many of newspapers, like stories and news. I have started using that words, and I used to, whenever a sir used to give me a task about new vocabulary, new words he used to teach, we used to tell me to use in sentence, and I started using that sentence, words. I started using that words in that news, and I used to reframe the sentences. I used to come here I used to get here as a homework, and that was very interesting for me. Then I started getting topics. I used to refer the newspaper, Google, and I used to get information about the topics, and I used to talk about the
Yeah, I
topics.
know I have bothered you a lot about topic preparation.
I
I
know.
used to sit on your head that on every Saturday you have to prepare. That was very important, Deepali. You know what? You spoke on different topics, different issues. You gathered the knowledge, you generated the knowledge. This knowledge will remain with you. Even if the class gets over, that confidence of speaking on different topics is very essential. It is very important that you have that, and that is the reason why we did all these exercises. We did role plays, we did this kind of business communication, we learned all these polite phrases and this topic and discussions which we did. So that was to get you more involved in the language.
Majorly, I was having a fear about sports, cricket, a very bad weak point about.
That is
Then secondly, about a share knowledge.
that is the reason why we do all these activities, so that people, come out of their phobia, come out of the fear. And you did wonderful. Let me tell you that whatever little time you had, you gave justice to most of the work assignments which I gave you. And anything else you will like to tell?
Definitely, I would like to talk about you.
Oh, that's something which will interest me.
I think we used to have more conversation on the current affairs, news. That was more interesting. You make me feel like there was a not teacher-student relation. It was like very free communication. I used to talk many topics. I used to discuss, because I used to get fear to discuss with other people about the current affairs. Maybe they will laugh on me, but then that has improvised me, and I can do confidently any conversation on any topic with others.
That's very good for you.
That was a very good quality. You had not made me feel like I am a student of it.
And that's good, that's good. That is the way it should be. Like, you should be given a free environment to speak, to express yourself, and you should feel more motivated to speak in the class rather than somebody dictating you to speak all the time. You should be motivated to speak. So I think the job is done.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay.
Thanks a lot.
Thanks a lot, sir.